Hello friends, welcome back to Aarogya Foods. Today let's see how to prepare Rajma Pulao. It's a one pot meal. I can say it's a super comfortable, soul satisfying food and you can pack this for lunchbox also. Rajma is rich in protein, fiber and carbohydrates, making it a wholesome meal. The combination of soft rajma and flavorful rice gives it a unique, tasty, flavorful. Rajma pulao is easy to prepare and can be enjoyed with curd, raita, or salad. So let's get into the process. I have taken 1 cup of rajma, wash it for 2-3 times, and pour enough water and soak it for minimum 8 hours. Transfer to a pressure cooker and add little salt and 1 glass of water or dissolve the rajma. Pressure cook at least 5 to 6 vessels. The other side will soak the rice, 1 glass of raw rice, and rinse it for 2-3 times and soak it for minimum 30 minutes. Now we'll check the rajma. Now rajma is cooked well. Separate the water and rajma. We'll use this water for the measurement. To cook rice, for masala, in a mixer jar, I have taken 250 grams of tomatoes. Remove the scar and add it to the mixer jar. Into that, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1½ teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, and 2 tablespoons of curd. Grind it to a smooth paste and keep aside. Now for pulao, in a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of oil and wholesome masala, 2 slitted green chili and saute it well, and 1 medium sized fine chopped onion. Saute them well until onions are translucent. Once onions are translucent, add 1 tablespoon of freshly grinded ginger garlic paste. Once saute well, let the raw smell go and now add the cooked rajma. Fry for 2-3 minutes minimum. Now let's add the grounded tomato masala paste. Saute them well until raw smell goes, as we added everything raw. So we have to saute this in a medium flame until oil separates. Now for this, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi. Mix them well and then add the soaked rice. I have taken 1 glass of rice. For this we have to use 2 glass of water. So the rajma cooked rice water I have separated, that I have added, and along with that normal water. So total 2 glass. However, you can adjust the measurements, but overall 1:1 ratio it should be. Mix them well and check the salt. Water should be slightly salty. And now add the fine chopped coriander leaves and 1 teaspoon of ghee. Mix it well and close the lid and pressure cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. This pulao is one pot recipe and very good in taste. Please do try it and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. And whenever you are cooking with a stove, cook with the love. Every dish can be delicious. Now it's ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye bye.